All right, welcome to Spiral Science. Once again, this is lesson 2 by Locked. All right, so let's move on. All right, so our Spiral Science series will include, we're still in the properties of matter phase of this. And as we move along, we'll move on into the forces in motion, then Earth changes, then the sun, earth, and moon. Then in life science, we might hit that just a little bit near the end of the year. And then we'll just start mixing it up from after that to combine a bunch of stuff. Won't be a lot of video stuff going on, but a lot more. Can I answer this question? Can I apply what I already know? Those type of things. So just so you know what the Spiral Science series actually is. So today, we are going to talk about magnetism. Just a quick little review, hit the highlights, and move on. All right, so it's when something is attracted or not attracted, repelled, by a magnet. Magnets have two poles, or north and a south end. Like poles repel, and opposite poles attract. So if you have a north and south next to each other, they're going to come together like pop. Slide right together. If you try to put the north and north together, they'll run away from each other. The south to south together, like run away from each other. That's repel and attract. Magnets are attracted to certain types of metals. There are 3: nickel, iron, and cobalt. I like to say Nick. That way I can remember it without the K. Nickel, iron, and cobalt. Some people like to put steel. Well, steel is attracted to it because it has iron and usually some nickel in it too. All right, then we're going to talk about relative density. If something is less dense than water, it will float. So I put something in water and it stays on top, it's less dense than water. And if something is more dense than water, it will sink. So if I plop something down in some water, no matter how much it is, if it goes down to the bottom, it floats. It sinks. Why I say float? I was looking at something else that was floating. It sinks. And that means that it is more dense than the water. Solubility. Solubility is if something disappears in water. Something is soluble if it dissolves. If it does not dissolve, it is insoluble. Remember when you put the in at the beginning of a word, it means not. Insoluble. That means it's not dissolving. So today what you're going to do, you're going to watch a video on magnetism next, then complete the reading exercise. Then you're going to click on the button below the reading exercise to watch another video. And then you can complete the assignment or activity that's at the end of today's lesson online. So that's all we have for today. And I'll see you next time for Spiral Science. Goodbye.